Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our collation of questions on WAEC and JAMB Biology for students that are preparing for 2026 WAEC and JAMB exams. I am Adrenaline the Bazooka Prophet, CEO, Adrenaline Global Online Tutorial Platform, a platform that is keen to helping students achieve marathon success in their upcoming examination. Now, in this particular question that we're about to do right away, the question, as you can see, is which of the following is a biotic factor in an ecosystem? Which of the following is a biotic factor in an ecosystem? The options are temperature, soil pH, wind speed, decomposers. Now, as you can see, that the answer will simply be decomposers. Why? Let us break it down. What are biotic factors? Biotic factors, they are the living part of an ecosystem. And what is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is simply the part of the earth crust consisting of the living and the non-living part of the environment. An example of biotic factor, they include plants, animals, and microorganisms. While abiotic factors are the non-living physical and chemical pieces, which include temperature, soil pH, and wind. And in the option given, temperature, soil pH, and wind speed, they are all abiotic. Because why? They are not alive. Decomposers, however, are living organisms which include fungi, bacteria, and some insects that break down. What they do is that they break down dead matter and return nutrients to the soil. So, because decomposers are living and play an active role in ecosystem processes, they are the living factor. And that is why the answer to that question is D. So, if this video have actually helped you, do well to like, share, and subscribe. And we are currently running a marathon live Zoom classes where a lot of students are already joining our community. So do well to register with us. It is very, very affordable wherever you are around the world, in the United States or any part of the world. We are active. Thank you, and God bless you.